Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to export your picture on the Photolib application that you have just edited. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below and then go to the top of the screen to the start creating section. After that, tap on the edit photo button, select a picture, and now if you are done with editing your picture and you want to export it, tap on the export button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can select the export quality on this scale. As you can see, there is the standard quality, high quality, and highest quality. And you can also select the size of it down below. And you can choose where you want to export it, such as photos, meaning that this will be saved to your gallery. You can export it to Instagram, Facebook message, and if you tap on the more button you can find other options such as AirDrop, TikTok, Instagram Messenger, and so on. So if you have selected the relevant place, tap on the export button down below, and as you can see, your picture has been saved to your gallery. In this case, since I have selected the photos option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.